Our next contestant is contestant number 7, and that is Janelle Mendoza. Give her a hand.
Young girl, don't cry. I'll be right here when your world starts to fall. Young girl, don't cry. I'll be right here when your world starts to fall. Young girl, don't cry. I'll be right here. Starts to fall. When you're safe inside your room, you tend to dream of a place where nothing's harder than it seems. No one ever wants to bother to explain of the heartache life can bring and what it means when there's no one else. Look inside yourself like a road's friend. Just trust the voice within, then you'll find the strength that'll guide your way. You learn to begin and trust the voice within. Oh, young girl, don't cry. You never change if you just run away. Ooh, oh. Young girl, just hold tight. Soon you're gonna see your brighter day. Oh, now in a world where innocence is quickly claimed, it's so hard to stand your ground when you're so afraid. No one reaches out a hand for you to hold. When you look outside, look inside to your soul. Yeah, when there's no one else, look inside yourself
Thank you. That was contestant 7, and we appreciate it, Janelle. Good job. Contestant 8 is up next, and that is...
Charlene.